Díomh rang a hain. And today, first class, we are looking at page 41 in our Buona Kainte books. But before we do that, we will watch the video. And same as usual, we'll watch it all the way through one time. And then a second one, I'll explain to you what's being said in English. I'll do the translation. Then there are a few activities as well that you can do afterwards. And once you've done all that and you've listened to what the children are saying, you can go ahead and do page 41, which is reading. So you'll do some reading for me, connect the numbers and color in the picture. Anyway, let's get started.
Bhí sé ag cur sneachta. Rinne na páistí fearr sneachta. Rinne níomh líorthóids sneachta. Chaisí an líorthóid sneachta. Bhuail sí oisín. Bhí an sport ag na páistí.
Okay, not very long today. Let's listen one more time.
Bhí sé ag cur sneachta.
Bhí sé ag cur sneachta. Do you remember what V means? When you see V, you know it's talking about something that's already happened. Bhí sé ag cur sneachta. It was snowing. Ag cur sneachta, snowing.
Rinne na páistí fearr sneachta.
Rinne na páistí fearr sneachta. The páistí, the kids or children, made a snowman. Rinne na páistí, so na, remember that means more than one. So the kids or the children made a snowman. Fearr sneachta is snowman.
Rinne níomh líorthóids sneachta.
Rinne níomh líorthóid sneachta. Níomh made a líorthóid sneachta. Sneachta is snow. Líorthóid is ball. You guessed it. Níomh made a snowball.
Chaisí an líorthóid sneachta.
Chaisí an líorthóid sneachta. So there's she, which means she. Chaisí. She threw the snowball. An líorthóid sneachta.
Bhuail sí oisín.
Bhuail sí oisín. She hit oisín. Bhuail sí oisín.
Bhí an sport ag na páistí.
Bhí an sport ag na páistí. The kids had a great time, a very good time. Okay, let's get into the activities.
Bígí ag éisteacht.
Cur capín
Cur capín Put on a capín.
Zaus.
Cur shrón
Shrón Which one is that? Are you guessing?
Zaus.
Nose.
Cur scarf
Cur scarf Put on a scarf.
Zaus.
Cur súla
Cur súla
Zaus.
Cur knapi
Cur knapi
Zaus.
And knapi are buttons. Okay, there's our snowman. Our fearr sneachta.
Bígí ag éisteacht. Cha níomh líorthóid sneachta. Agus bhuail sí an múntóir.
Oh no, I don't like the sound of this one. Cha níomh líorthóid sneachta agus bhuail sí an múntóir. Níomh threw a snowball and hit the teacher. Who is it?
Zaus.
Well, I gave you that one. You have to do these on your own.
Cha níomh líróid sneachta agus bhuail sí fear green.
Bhuail she on far green.
Zaus.
Funny man. The clown.
Cha níomh líróid sneachta agus bhuail sí fear fusht.
Far unfushed.
Zaus.
Postman. Far unfished.
Cha níomh líróid sneachta agus bhuail sí sin.
Ha níomh líróid sneachta agus bhuail she sin.
Zaus.
Yes. Did you get it right?
Cha níomh líróid sneachta agus bhuail sí Liam.
Liam.
Zaus.
Last one.
Cha níomh líróid sneachta agus bhuail sí Garda.
On Garda. You can get in big trouble for that.
Zaus.
Well done if you got those right. Last activity. No, I'm not sure I like the look of this. Let's find out what we have to do.
Bígí ag éisteacht.
Bhfuil osín leis an líróid sneachta.
Bhuail Ushin leis an líróid sneachta. Hit Ushin with the snowball. Oh my.
Zaus.
Bhfuil an fear sneachta leis an líróid sneachta.
Bhuail an fear sneachta leis an líróid sneachta. Who's that then?
Zaus.
Bhfuil níomh leis an líróid sneachta.
Bhuail níomh leis an líróid sneachta. Who am I hitting this time?
Zaus.
Bhfuil an fear green leis an líróid sneachta.
This is some machine. Who's next? Did you hear? On far green.
Zaus.
Bhfuil an Garda leis an líróid sneachta.
On Garda. Don't do it in real life.
Zaus.
Bhfuil Bran leis an líróid sneachta.
Last one, poor Bran. Bhuail Bran leis an líróid sneachta. Sorry, Bran. Ta bron orm.
Woof, woof. Zaus.
Okay. That's the end of the activities. If you go back and listen again to the main story, that should help you with the reading on page 41. Then you have to connect the numbers and draw me a colour and a lovely picture for me. Okay, have fun. Bye. Slán.